Symba,
I just want to help you.
you having a little tantrum?
You don't like it?
Symba, you feel better now? Do you want me to fix your mirror? No, I don't want you to bite me. I just want to fix your mirror. Ow! Symba.
Be nice, birdie.
You're not a morning bird. Isn't that pretty bird? Ooh. Okay, fine.
Oh.
Symba. Oh, great. Symba. Symba?
No, I didn't pick out the stuff he doesn't like.
Katie, stop eating that. Symba, I just fixed your mirror. You know, I think he hates all of the toys. Symba, can you say pretty bird for me, please?
Good morning. Good morning, baby bird. Baby bird. Baby bird. Hey, you baby bird.
The pretty bird. I don't think he's in the mood.
He's not. He's angry. Obviously, he's the crap out of this toy.
Yeah, okay.
Symba, do you want me to take that one out also?
Oh, he loves beating up that one. That's his favorite to beat up.
I've got you new food. There's your food, Symba.
Look, Symba, look.
Symba, look. You got food. See? You don't have to have a hissy fit. I didn't take out the things you don't like, but, well, we just deal with it. Yeah. Did I not fix it right?
Oh my God.
We'll just fix it right. There you go.
There you go, Symba. Now you can go eat your food. Come on, Symba.
Good morning, Shadow.
Here's your food, Symba. Good morning, Shadow. You want to go outside? Wait, Shadow, you don't have to. Hi, Katie. What is it that you want? You want to go outside the gate. You know why the gate's put there? So you can't escape. Oh, I'll see you later, Katie. Hi, Shadow. Symba, are you feeling better? I'll take that as a yes.